Islamabad, April 28, an orientation seminar on Hifz with Understanding with O-Level unfolded under the esteemed banner of RUDN Astra Leadership School. This seminal event brought together luminaries, educationists, and innovators, converging to chart a course towards a holistic and transformative approach to education. At the heart of the seminar was the convergence of minds and expertise, with a focus on the groundbreaking initiative of Hifz with Understanding with O-Level program. This innovative program, designed to bridge the gap between traditional Quranic education and modern academics, heralds a new era in educational excellence. Leading the charge was Mr. Abrarul Haq, the visionary founding director of the Mind, Body, and Soul Integrated Educational System. Renowned as an educational consultant, researcher, and integrator, Mr. Abrarul Haq
फिर ये चीज़ थी कि बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट पास हम बच्चों को समझे बगैर उनकी नीड्स को देखे बगैर एक सिस्टम में डालने की कोशिश करते हैं। फिर ये था कि हर चीज़ बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट हो, यानी अगर उसमें वैल्यूज़ हैं तो पूरे प्रोसेस के तहत।
In his address, Mr. Abrarul Haq emphasized the transformative potential of a comprehensive educational approach, one that nurtures not only academic excellence but also moral virtues and character development. His words resonated.
with O-levels के साथ हम करने चाह रहे हैं, इसके अंदर भी इंशाल्लाह जो हमारा पार्ट है जो कि हम किस तरह से एकेडमिक्स को जो है बेस्ट से बेस्ट करेंगे, उसकी हमारी को रिसर्च है प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग की, किस तरह से हमने कैम्ब्रिज के और एजुकेशनल चीज़ों को डिकोड किया और किस तरह से बच्चों के लिए चीज़ें टेस्ट हो सकती हैं।
Setting the stage for a profound exploration of educational paradigms. Mr. Fayaz, from the Character Education Foundation, brought his expertise in moral education to the forefront. With a focus on character development, Fayaz underscored the importance of instilling ethical values in students, shaping them into responsible and compassionate individuals. Mr. Fayaz, representing Quran education, highlighted the modern techniques that will be utilized to deliver Quran Hifz with understanding education. He emphasized the integration of innovative methods to make Quranic learning engaging and effective for students, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the sacred text. Brig Khalid Mahmood, a stalwart in the field of education and leadership, lent his perspective on the integral role of leadership in education. Drawing upon his vast experience, Brig Khalid Mahmood highlighted the need to cultivate leadership skills among students, empowering them to navigate the complexities of the modern world with confidence and integrity. Syed Burhan Ali Shah, the robotics education expert director at Robotmaya, contributed to the seminar through a message reflecting his insights on technology-enhanced education. In his message, Shah emphasized the transformative potential of artificial intelligence and other aspects of technology integration in education, showcasing innovative tools and resources designed to revolutionize the learning experience. Asif Raja, a seasoned technologist and AI expert, provided valuable insights into the transformative power of technology in Raja explored the potential of artificial intelligence and other aspects of technology integration to optimize learning outcomes, urging educators to embrace innovation to meet the evolving needs of students in the digital age. The seminar concluded on a note of optimism and empowerment, with attendees inspired by the collective vision for educational excellence. Armed with newfound insights and perspectives, participants departed with a renewed sense of purpose, poised to contribute to the shaping of a brighter future for generations to come. Thank you.